Hey guys, welcome to Seafood and Drinks with your girl Chef Nikki Fab. Well, today we have our recurring guest that cannot stay away from snow crab legs, and we have this fab foodie over here that is obsessed with seafood. They decide they're gonna do a video today while I chef it up in the back because I have a huge order that I gotta take care of. Yes, the chef is at work. Well, what are you guys drinking today on the channel?
I'm having some Lucozade.
And what you're having, Miss Geneva?
Nikki made me a little special wine.
Okay. Well, I won't be in the video today, so I'm gonna let these two lovelies take over. Y'all hungry?
Yeah, very.
Y'all ready to dig in?
Alice, you ready?
All right. Bye, my fab foodies. Grab a plate. Get something that y'all like and come join us for brunch.
Breakfast, lunch,
dinner.
Dinner.
All right. Bye.
Which one you going for first?
I'm going for this one.
I had a feeling.
Oh yeah. This is what I'm having in the back while I chef it up.
Mm. My kid down there having mad fun. Did you crack it right? Because I noticed that you don't know how to eat crab. Mmm. Nikki. Damn, Nikki did her thing on this. Alex, you think you could cook like your mother?
Not even near it.
Not even hear it? And the way how you always love to eat? Mm.
I wish I could have my mom forever.
You probably will. She's a good person. Mmm. Yo, I saw y'all eating that video. I heard you chat me up. Watch, you didn't want to be here. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here.
I told y'all.
That's nice. Look how spicy and that garlic on it. Do they see the seasoning this time?
By the way, my fab foodies, this is actually some garlic butter snow crab legs, because when she saw me make that blue crab, she was like, Nikki, do you know how to make garlic butter snow crab? I'm like, girl, what?
Cause I don't like blue crab. Blue crab?
See what I season on it?
Blue crab has too much. The shell is like too. I don't know how to explain it. I don't like it. I love crab, but definitely not blue crab. Give me a king crab, snow crab. But I ain't crazy about that. Blue crab. I don't know.
Honestly, to be honest, I don't care what you give me.
As long as it's a crab?
As long as it's seafood, not even a crab.
Mmm.
Fish, anything.
Mmm.
But the fish gotta be steamed.
You don't like fried fish?
I would eat fried fish, but
You prefer
you gotta
steamed?
cook it down, or I prefer it steamed.
Mm. So Alex, it's almost time to go back to school. Summer's about to be over. You ready for that? What that mean?
I'm ready. Which one do you think is better, online?
Well, Bree has the option to go online school. I'm lazy. I'm not waking up to do nobody's online teaching. Sorry. Teachers get paid for that. Go to school, wear your mask. I'll come home and I'll do the homework. That's it.
That's how it should be.
I'm definitely not doing it online. So she goes to school. And it's not a matter of, to me, I feel like, you know, I don't know if you know, but COVID ain't real. Sorry, that's my feelings. I'm entitled. I have feelings. But yeah, so I think in-person learning is better. And now we got the kids get to socialize. Bree be begging me to go to school. So
yeah, because you don't want to stay in the house.
Yeah.
Nothing in the house to do.
I mean, she go out still. We go out. You know that.
Only thing in my household to do is sit and eat seafood.
He ain't lying there. Well, and chat and drink. Well, you can't drink, but on chat.
Watch TV, play Fortnite all day. Nothing else.
But your mother did her thing on these crabs, but this is delicious. I like the way the sauce tastes on my fingers, especially. Even though we're not supposed to be in the finger licking season right now, but
Doesn't matter.
it is yum. Ooh, it is yummy. Look at that.
You can see all that.
As soon as I seen that video, it was like, I was like, oh yeah, Alex want to chat me up? I'm pulling up. You can do this, Alex? Hmm? You want me to teach you? You want me to teach you? Oh, okay. You got it. You got it. All right.
You see how she's showing off because I can't eat crab? Yeah, that's just again.
All right. See? He messed up because he would have had a lifelong lesson to know how to crack the crab, but he just stole one piece of crab from me. He don't get no more. Keep chewing up the crab.
It doesn't matter, guys. I'm enjoying it. The juice alone just
I
makes the
just
crab
got
delicious.
another one. You want this one? You can't give me again. You got me, Alex. You got me. You got me. It tastes good over here. It is really nice, garlicky, spicy, buttery, seasoned well.
You can just tell this is garlic butter crab. Look at that. Look at that. You can just tell.
You don't need no dipping sauce for this.
My mom can really cook.
B-Loving got nothing on this. And I ain't even had a sauce, but I heard B-Loving got nothing on this. Not that there's wanted competition, but this is good. It's hitting.
Look at that, still getting my meat.
He just love me. We watching. He side eyeing me over here. Watched a few of my videos. You kind of learn. Do they see the sauce in the pan? Because I'm looking at it. What's that right there? Is that juice? Oh my gosh. Look. Look at that. That look good. That look magic. This is nice. Garlic and buttery. I don't know how y'all can do it with blue crab because it definitely tastes good with the snow crab. I'm gonna miss out on this.
Knock it till you try it.
Girl, go back in the pot.
It's simmering, girl. Listen, no, but I'm gonna invite you over when I make some more garlic blue crab. You didn't see I was eating it too, and you know that I'm all seafood and I was eating that blue crab. It was delectable.
I don't know. I can't do blue crab. I don't like it.
That from Maryland. Maryland has nothing on me, girl.
No, but I don't like blue crab. Like, I don't like the size of it. It barely has meat in it.
Listen, I can't wait for the king crab to come in.
I'll be your first guest. Because I can't wait for it either.
You know what she said? First guess. You mean second. I already live in the seafood building.
You already live in the seafood kitchen?
You'll see. You'll see. Keep on learning. No, but your mother does everything on this, so this tastes nice. I'll be forgetting about the drink when I'm eating Mickey crackers.
Yeah.
Eating some crab all day long.
It's like you don't even need drinks. There's all the juice in it.
For real, it is juicy. I'm trying to show the teeth. He's gonna steal the rest of my crab. Mmm. Mmm.
Got flavor right here. This one was so.
Oh, Nikki, that one tastes nice. Girl. Mm-hmm. So, Alex, what grade are you going to?
9.
So you about to be a freshman. How do you feel about it?
How I feel about it?
You excited, nervous? You're not nervous.
I'm not nervous at all.
But you excited? High school. It's the last 4 years of grade school. You gotta make it count.
I'm in the big man stage now.
You're in the big man stage now. What's that? What's the big man stage?
Why is she asking me this, guys?
He didn't volunteer information. I gotta ask you. That's how you do stuff out of this. So,
It's the big man stage. You guys don't know what the big man stage is?
tell us what it is.
Okay.
Teach me, because you know, that's a whole different era right there. Let me tell you, I asked this kid earlier. I wonder if I could show them. Well, my camera doesn't really be showing on video. I Googled the phone. No, I was scrolling on Facebook and the phone popped up. Bleep! People born in the 90s should know what that is. What's a bleep? Nikki.
Yeah.
Nikki.
Yeah.
What's a bleep? You remember the phones that used to bleep?
No.
Nikki.
Yes.
The phones that used to bleep. It used to go bleep. It used to bleep the phone.
Nextel?
Oh! So I showed him. I said, you know what this phone is? He said, nah.
For real, whatever happened to Nextel?
He said, nah. So I'm like, okay, wow, I guess I'm old. So then I showed him a razor.
Oh yeah, I had a razor when
I showed him, I said, this was the hottest phone.
I know, and I had
out.
a razor.
He said, what's that, a BlackBerry?
I don't know.
He asked me if it was a BlackBerry. So now I had to go show him the BlackBerry. That was the next time this phone.
Let me ask you a question. Imagine having those phones in 2020. Could never be me.
What? It would be you. Those were the hottest phones.
When you get old like us,
22
then you're gonna be
is a whole
like, they
different
have iPhone. That could never be me.
Right? I mean, I don't need the sauce, but I mean, that's what it's cooked in it. I'm gonna taste good. But
What if it was different? Like, what if it reversed? Like in the 90s something there was iPhone 11s, and then now it's like.
that's a possibility.
What if it really reversed?
They was trying to bring sidekicks back to the point. They were. They did come back out with it, but it didn't hit. They even brought BBM back. Remember?
Now, what if there's a different Earth? What is it like? Other people somewhere?
They said they think they're living on Mars.
Right now, they're looking into some unidentified things in the air with the UFO. They think it's UFO.
I think I've seen a UFO before.
I think I've seen a UFO before my damn self too, but somebody said, "Oh, it's satellite."
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
like,
so
no, but you could tell the difference between a satellite and a UFO. I would think.
What is
I've
that?
seen some things in
A
the
UFO?
air.
Unidentified flying object.
Okay, that's fine.
It looked like a saucer. It's round, it's circular. Wow. They don't know what UFOs are. They don't have imagination in kids. I'm just dropping subscribe. But yeah. What was I saying?
It's like, what if there's like a different breed of people? What if people started like, you just seen some a random person walking on Mars?
Listen, they say that all this technology came from. You remember? You heard of Roswell? When some strange thing crashed over there in Roswell.
The only thing I know about is Area what?
Area 51.
Oh, 51?
Yeah, that's what happened, and they took it to whatever happened in Roswell. They took
What's
the
Roswell?
space,
Where's Roswell?
like a spacecraft crashed over there. That's close by Mexico.
Oh.
Yeah, and then the army created Area 51, and then they say that's where all the technology comes from. They came from because I guess they used parts of the spacecraft to create the technology. And I totally, like, right now I'm a believer in UFOs. Because I've been watching some stuff on YouTube, and I'm a believer.
I believe so. I always believe.
Because I was watching something yesterday,
Watch, guys.
and they say that
This might grow to come true. That somebody might be walking on Mars one day and they see it.
Yeah, remember I told you that.
But there's a sign of life.
I told him he's going to Mars. You forget I told you that? That I signed you up for Elon Musk. He needs a couple people to go over there to live on Mars, and you're one of them. I made sure I signed you up.
First.
He doesn't listen, my fab foodies. So
nah, he said he's going to be a good way. Me and him had a talk.
You didn't remember that I told you that?
He's
So you're one of the aliens. Actually, you're gonna be an alien. Once you're not of that earth, you're gonna be an alien. So you're gonna be.
But he told me he was gonna be a good boy this year.
But he already signed him up.
He's not going. I'm gonna make sure he don't go.
You can't get out of that contract.
Yes, I can. Nobody's not gonna force me to go. My mom signed me up when I was younger. I could easily.
He said he didn't give consent.
No, that's why he's going on his 17th birthday.
Oh. I don't have to say
I'm smarter than him. You think I was going to wait for him to turn 18?
Right?
When he could be like, I'm not going?
But why would you do that?
Because you don't listen.
Why would you do that? I'm not going there. I'm not going there. Those police, those whatever is going to go through hell for me to go up tomorrow. I'm not going there.
Alex the bad man, he said, what did he say earlier? He's a, what? Big man thing around here?
Bad man is it.
One drink your Lucas in.
Right, yeah.
That'll give you energy for when they come for you on your 17th birthday. Show them the Lucas in. Show the fam food that they need to drink Lucas in just in case.
I'm going to start working out when I'm 15. So when the cops come for me,
Be strong. And that
Cops
time,
ain't gonna come for you.
right? It's gonna be the
It's
special
better
agent.
people. Yeah, special agents coming for you.
I'm not going with them. And if they hit me to go just to Mars, that's abuse.
You think that you have a choice then?
Do you know how much people want to go to Mars and you're refusing?
Because I'm not trying to die.
How you
How you gonna die this water then?
What if I die? What if? Look, she's always worrying about everything, right? And she want me to go to the most deadliest place on Earth.
Mars is not the deadliest place on Earth because Mars
Going to
is not
space
on
is the
Earth.
deadly.
You don't know it's not. They go to space.
If I take off my helmet, I'm not living.
So why would you take it off?
Because back
It's
then do
just
that,
like,
right?
why would you go in the water and try to breathe in the water? You know not to do that.
Exactly, you could drown.
What bad kid would do that? What? Yeah, nobody's gonna go in the water. But bad kids would feel their face itching and take off their helmet.
Oh, so you admit you're bad?
No, not bad kids.
Stupid
Kids that's
kids.
idiots.
Yeah.
Kids that know better.
That's why kids are not going there. Teenagers are. Because teenagers have more sense.
You
And
know.
now that you're developing sense, that's why I said, okay, Mr. Musk, I'm going to send you Alex.
Everybody you want to send me.
She said no.
Because I know that you're going to survive.
You don't know that.
I have faith in you.
I know that I'm gonna
I
survive.
know you're very self-reliant.
Boy, oh boy. This crime is good.
Do they have a postman from Mars that could send a mail?
How do we know we not living on Mars?
Because we're living on Earth.
How do we know?
Because we know.
They said that it's how many planets, however many they say it is, because you know they just discovered a new planet recently.
No, do you know that there's an Earth too? It's right behind, like, close to the sun, and it's behind Earth, and they just discovered it.
But how do we know that when we go flying in the air, that we ain't on another planet?
Because we're still in the air.
How do we know?
Because we know, because we're still seeing the ground.
But how do we know? Because
'Cause we
sometimes
know,
the
'cause we're
ground
looking
disappears.
The ground don't
You be in the
disappear.
clouds. Yes.
Yeah, we in the clouds, but when we look, we see
But
the
how we know
ocean.
we in the clouds? How we know we see the ocean?
I called her again. Told you guys I was gonna catch her again.
That's why I know I just spoke the truth. True word. But it's true. How do we know?
Because we know, because I've been looking outside the airplane.
We don't know.
Definitely though, when Mr. Musk start having flights to space, I'm definitely going to space because Earth too much right now. I can't handle
I heard that they're gonna
Earth
make
right
an
now.
elevator to space. Is that true?
No, they say it wouldn't work because the Earth it spins, so it wouldn't work.
How people do these stuff? That's crazy.
Because
Ooh,
they're
I
smart
like
and
it.
intelligent.
Very good. I like it.
Would you go to if you're not even want to go?
No person would know how to make a spaceship. That's just crazy.
Intelligence. Some people's brain works differently.
Who's the smartest person in the world?
I said it was Albert Einstein, right?
It wasn't him because he was smart for one detail.
What detail?
He couldn't go do a heart surgery. Einstein. He was the one with the light.
Nikki, can you believe I came over here with no earrings on? I was hungry.
Guys, you know when the crab is good. She didn't even come with a full made up hair or anything.
Hair.
She just came to Seafood and Kitchen and said, "Boy."
Ooh.
She's like, "Nikki, I got crabs.
That's
Are you
alright.
cooking?" I'm like, "Okay."
Mm. I just had to look at that because that was very good. Are you the type to take, like, alright, they said, I was doing something on Snapchat yesterday. You know the little games that come up on Snapchat, like the little stories and whatnot? So I was watching it, and it was the gross, it's like, how gross are you? What you think, do you dig your nose?
Sometimes.
Right, it's my nose, I'm gonna dig it. It's my nose, I'm digging my nose. They said, well, you dig your nose, do you dig your nose and look at it? You don't examine your booger?
As a kid, I used to dig my nose and taste it.
I did
Tell
it.
me you
I
didn't
did
know that
too
as a
much.
kid.
Maybe when I was crying, that's just not it. I'm not doing that to do that.
Yo, when
I was taught that was
crying as
nasty.
a
Even
kid-
Brady know that's nasty.
No, when I was crying as a kid and your nose knot is running, it used to taste good. It kind of salty.
Yeah, it tastes salty, yeah. When you crying and you,
Yes, it used to taste good to me, boy.
and you used to burn right here too.
And then you
Maybe I
take,
lick it,
as
lick
a kid, you take your feet and put it in your mouth. Your foot actually tastes good.
And Bree love to do that. I can't do that. I
All
couldn't-
kids do that.
I couldn't
All
do it.
kids. I didn't see one
I couldn't
kid
do it.
yet.
I couldn't
You know
do
what
it.
you did as a baby?
I can remember up until I was 2 years old. Yes, I can.
Yeah, I can remember up until 2, but I'm telling you, every kid that I come across,
I
they
couldn't
put
do it.
their foot in their mouth.
I couldn't do it.
Babies put their feet in their mouth and
Well, as
people
a baby, maybe, but as
come
like a
into the
kid,
comment section if you know. I'm telling you, every kid that I've come across, they put their feet in their mouth.
as a kid though, like
We should all go to Jamaica and test out there. We can go around Jamaica and tour. We can go eat their seafood.
I never seen snow crab in Jamaica.
Oh man, I feel full. I should just hit one more leg. Take these little ones.
You can get food from seafood.
it's an appetizer for me.
Y'all didn't offer the chef a taste test.
No, you missed out. You're cooking.
I know. I got a huge order. Like, oh my gosh, all these orders.
Well, only people missing out is the ones that's watching from home. People be knowing. Nikki Fool, I'm addicted to you. Remember that song?
No.
Ryan Leslie,
Who is that?
a singer. He actually writes a lot of music that we listen to. That's my addiction. Food is addictive.
So which one do you like better, this one or the one when I boil it?
This one.
Oh,
I mean, the one when you boil it is nice to have. Yo, I messed up my clothes again. The one where you boil it is nice, but the way how this tastes on my fingers.
all that garlic.
Look, see, I look through it. That's how you know.
Listen, if it wasn't this, he would still be licking his 10.
Oh, man, the sauce is great. Man, the sauce is great.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Dip it in the sauce then. You had to be nice to me. Alex was a sneaky bad kid. When he was younger, I got this video of him in my phone. Maybe his mom will upload it one day. Alex was doing bad stuff in the video. And I was clueless to it. Like, really clueless, no, for real.
Because you was a kid yourself.
Until I rewatched it recently, and I was like, wait, the kid was sticking up his middle finger in the video. He asked me, do I notice what he's doing? He said, you notice something I'm doing?
And you didn't notice.
You notice something I'm doing? So I'm sitting here like, no. Because I really didn't notice.
And talking about Hennessy.
Next thing, I go and I show his mother the video recently. I was like, yo, I remember when Alex was this little kid. So I watched back the video. You notice something what I'm doing?
You know something what I'm doing?
Yeah. Alex bad.
Oh my god.
But I love this little kid. Even though he bad, we still gotta love him. Because he
That's why
himself.
he's going to Mars.
No, he won't go.
You're gonna hide it?
Yup.
Remember, I know your address.
I'll be moving. You don't forgot? I'll be moving. I plan on it. Oh. COVID didn't happen this year. I'd have left. I would have put in for a transfer at my job and left. I'm ready to leave New York. But I'll be listening out. Nope. I'll be right here
I
for
thought you
the
was
seafood.
full, Alex. Do you have an addiction going on?
Mm-hmm. He's very addicted. Lord. I'm just gonna order this. This is how I eat crab. How do you guys eat the crab like how Alex eat it? Or eat it like, well, not that, but you know, the couple of pieces of meat that Alex then still took from me. Do you like it like that, or do you like it like how he eats it? Like this. And now I get this one. Bree don't like crab.
Bree like you.
I be like, Bree, come eat some crab. Oh.
She like shrimp and juice.
Yeah. Juice. She have a list of. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. In my tummy, tummy, tummy. Alex, did you love the food?
Great.
What was your favorite part about it?
Favorite part?
Still in the crab for me?
Yeah, because she was like, oh, I know what to do. I know what to do. And she was talking to my mom. I was like, yes, yes, no time.
You know how to eat the claw? Want me to show you? Take up that claw and learn. We're going to do this the right way this time.
Hold on, hold on.
So what I do, oh, he does that. I do this. I pull it up. Okay. Then I do that. I pull it open like this. You're not. You just
Still more
want to
meat
eat.
in it.
You just want to eat.
There's still more meat in it, though.
Yeah, we're gonna get to that. We're gonna get to that.
You see, he don't listen.
He don't listen.
That's why he's going to Mars.
Look, open it like this and pull this.
I'm trying to like, see what you're doing. She's taking it step by step, but all the juice.
Don't worry about the juice.
Alright.
Once you're a professional, you will get the juice. You see that? Then I take it like this. Get it on the side like this. Crack it. Then once it's cracked, you find the crack. see the pepper in here. Pop it
Fat
open.
Foodies, you see why he's going to Mars?
You cracked it? Make sure you take that part off. Take the skin off. And you see all that meat right there? Once you get it open, I'll have to focus. Oh, he learned. You got it. How it tastes. A difference, right?
Pretty good teaching.
Sorry. I don't want it to lose. I don't want to lose it. But this is good.
See this?
One enjoy that. There's mine over here because I ain't get to it yet. But and then for this part, if we had another leg, I would have showed you. But look, next time, so you know, you can kind of see where you should crack. You look for the part. You can kind of feel it too, where with the tightest part, wherever it's tight, crack it. That was a little lesson for y'all too. But Nikki?
Yeah, girl.
It was good, I must say. Is it your time? I know it's seafood and drinks, but I'll just be here for the crab, Nikki. Just please. Understand, like, I really love the crab. I mean, I like the drinks too, but y'all know I'm a crabby. I love crab. Yo, and you know what's crazy? My mother and my daughter is a crab. I can't get away from them. You know the sign, Cancer.
I thought you was bringing some for your mother.
I was. But I had to eat it up. I was like my little boy.
He be going into La La Land.
OD because the food not good. Look at that big piece of meat. I like don't keep it. I have to say.
You blocking out the teeth?
Yeah. Too slow. Nikki? What's going on? Nikki? Enjoy. Oh yeah, and then what I do for this part, I never showed them. That was soaking in juice. I forgot about it. I'll just be cracking it. Lightly though. And I use the back of my teeth because those teeth have like the shape of the crab leg. And then they always break for me. So if y'all got a better way, teach me. But I'll get it like that. And that'll be it. I don't really fancy this part because I don't know how to perfect it. But Nikki, I enjoyed it. Thanks again. My personal chef. Bon appetit.
My Fat Foodies, y'all peep that. You hear that? Her personal chef.
That was good. See that garlic right there? Garlic butter. Let me do that. Let me taste like that.
Was it spicy?
No, no, not today. It was. You could taste that there's nothing, but no.
I'm gonna put a whole pepper in it.
I think I see a piece of it.
1.5 of pepper.
But it was good.
I thought this one was full.
I know I am. I had to save one for the drinks. This was a wine. This is a wine.
Like a mango sangria.
A mango sangria. Oh, it's good. Crisp, light, enough. It goes well with this. That was good. You know they say unless you belch, that's when the food is good. Thanks, Vicky.
You're welcome, love.
It tastes good like that, right? See, I'm teaching. Garlicky, right? Flavorful. I think I'm gonna give it a try too. I got a little tail right here too.
Behind that in.
Of course.
So
I gotta really dig into it on camera, of course. Let me try what Alex just did. But I need a refill. I can't just chew it up like that. I still have to open it up. Mom, next time you'll get some. I can make it over there. Next time. But this was good. Can't chew it up like Alex. Vicky.
You're really enjoying.
When it tastes mad good, I need a refill. This is a burping competition? Who can out-burp who? Can I get a refill? You got more ice over there? Boy. It went splash. You got a little ice? It went splash. It goes splash. Nikki, she is in the kitchen chefing it up. What you making over there? Shrimp?
Shrimp, mussels, crab legs.
Girl, give me some shrimp. Don't worry, just give some to Brie. She like it. I got real. You think you're gonna outburp me? Oh! I could never. Oh no. Mm-mm.
Oh my God.
I could never. No.
I guess I one guy.
He said. But I enjoy it. Thanks, Nikki.
You're welcome.
We got a lot of cleaning up to do. This glass looks crazy. I'm gonna lick my fingers after this. Nikki.
Peep this greedy. Peep this fat foodie over here.
I know. Well, nothing ever goes to waste at this kitchen. You already know. Not even the juice. Look at it. 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 What's that?
What's
crab?
that? Yeah.
Look at the juice. Ah, look at that. Ah.
Ooh. What's it?
I can't eat no more. You know when you get full, you just be looking at food like, I can't eat no more. Like that's when it looks bad, but this is the burping channel now. It's the burping segment. Wait. 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 Wait.
Mom, what did you put in this food? A velvet thing?
Can you flip the alphabet? A, B, C. Oh, God. C, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. No, it's Alright, I'm done.
Watch out.
I can't manage. L M N O P Q R S T U. Ooh! Oh God, you got more? No, Alex is crazy. I'm gonna feel like Shantia right now. If they could only see. You think Shantia is pregnant, guys?
For real.
Alex, you seen that picture on Instagram?
Alex, no, nothing, boy, nothing.
He probably fell in the traffic. Alex burped out.
She put a belching thing in this. I can't stop, guys. Mom, what did you do to me?
He going to Mars. This is the pre-fly. Before he go, this one gotta happen.
Oh my God, what's happening?
You worried? You worried?
What did you do to me? How are you not belching like this? I think it stopped. I think it stopped.
No. It's going to Mars. Enjoy.
Okay, guys. So, we're finished eating. Thank you, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below. Make sure you like, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe. I think I got it.
Video.
Share the video.
Make sure you like, subscribe, share the video. Yeah.